Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have two dash cams that are ready to capture every moment on the road. On the left, we have the ROVE R2-4K dash cam, and on the right we have the Pilot dash camera. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to capturing those breathtaking moments on the road, video quality is crucial. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam boasts an impressive 4K Ultra HD recording capability. With its 2160p resolution and super night vision technology, you'll never miss a single detail, even in low light conditions. Now let's talk about connectivity and features. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam comes equipped with built-in Wi-Fi 6, allowing you to instantly view and manage your recordings on your iOS or Android devices using the ROVE app. You can even download your 4K videos directly to your smartphone and share them with friends and family on social media. Additionally, the ROVE R2-4K dash cam has a built-in GPS that accurately records your driving location and speed. You can easily view your driving route on Google Maps via Wi-Fi using the app or with their GPS player. Plus, they offer free firmware upgrades, ensuring you always have the latest features and improvements. Now let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, price. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam is priced at $119, while the Pilot dash camera comes in at $109. When it comes to warranty and customer care, the ROVE R2-4K dash cam offers a full 1-year warranty and a 30-day full refund policy. Their customer-centric approach ensures that any questions or issues you may have will be promptly addressed by their USA Chicago-based team. After comparing the ROVE R2-4K dash cam and the Pilot dash camera, it's clear that the ROVE R2-4K dash cam takes the crown in terms of video quality, connectivity, and warranty. Remember, the choice ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Be sure to check the links in the description for more information and the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons to help you buy smart. Until next time, drive safe and make smart choices.